Most people believe IQ is fixed. You're born smart or you're not. That idea is wrong, and in this video, I'll prove it. I used to think geniuses were just lucky. Then I studied how they actually think, and what I found shocked me. Geniuses don't rely on talent. They train their mind daily, like a muscle. So we tested this. We took two groups of people, same age, same background. One group did nothing special. The other trained their brain for 30 days. Guess what happened? The second group improved memory, focus, and problem solving. No magic, no genetics, just the right mental habits. First thing geniuses do, they struggle on purpose. Most people avoid hard problems. Geniuses chase them because struggle rewires the brain. If it feels easy, your brain is not growing. Second, they talk to themselves differently. When normal people fail, they say, "I'm not smart." Geniuses say, "I haven't figured it out yet." That one word, yet, changes everything. Third, they think in questions, not answers. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," they ask, "How can I make this easier?" Questions force the brain to search for solutions. Right now, try this. Think of a problem in your life. Now ask a better question about it. That's how geniuses think. Fourth, they learn slower but deeper. They don't rush to finish books. They pause, reflect, explain ideas out loud. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it. Studies show the brain can grow new connections at any age. This is called neuroplasticity. Your brain is not fixed. It adapts to what you repeatedly do. So if you scroll all day, your brain gets better at scrolling. If you think deeply, your brain gets better at thinking. For the next 7 days, solve one hard problem daily, ask better questions, and stop saying, "I'm not smart." Because geniuses aren't born. They're trained. If this changed how you think, like the video, subscribe, and train your mind.